Hey y'all, if you are a beginner or you are trying to figure out how to master the wash and go for your hair, this is the video for you. So let's get into my wash and go styling routine. All about natural beauty, yeah, slim Reshae. Alright guys, this is my hair freshly washed and I'm using butterfly clips to section my hair off. So my hair is a little dry, so I want to make sure that I'm dampening my hair. This is a spray bottle with tap water in it, and I'm just spraying each section to add some moisture as well as adding my leave-in conditioner. I'm taking this ergo detangling brush to detangle my hair, and if you guys have not watched my how to wash your hair video, I'll link that in the cards above. But my hair has been detangled in the washing process when I washed my hair, so it's not a lot of work I have to do to detangle. So after adding your leave-in conditioner, I'm taking my Wetline Extreme Gel and I am brushing that product through smaller sections of my hair. And as you can see, this detangling brush does a great job at separating my curls and getting the curls to go ahead and start forming. So one thing I like to do that gives me almost a guaranteed wash and go every time is shingling my hair. So the shingling method is basically separating each of your curls and finger coiling them individually. Now if you have dense hair, this may take a lot of time, or if you have thinner hair, this will go by quickly, but it'll be super beneficial for my thin hair girlies. Okay, so I love doing this because it helps curl train your hair and it helps your curls get in the direction that they need to be going for a successful wash and go. So as you can see, when I put this gel on my hair looks a little stringy initially, and that's because it's a heavyweight gel. Now if you have like thin hair or loose curls, you may want to try a cream for your wash and go combination versus a heavyweight gel, because this heavyweight gel has my hair lasting 7 to 10 days. So I definitely recommend a heavyweight gel for my tighter curls and a lightweight flexible hold gel or cream for my loose curl girlies. Quick interruption, I wanted to just stop and share with you guys how amazing I think this brush is. This is a detangling brush. I got it from my local beauty supply store. It just says ergo detangling brush. I like this style better than the one that's like this, because when you're brushing your hair, it's easy for this to like slip out of the groove, but with it like vertically locked in, and I just feel like I can detangle more hair at one time, and I feel like it's way more secure. I didn't have any issues with this slipping around as I was detangling my hair. So if you go to your local beauty supply and you find a brush like this, make sure you pick it up for your next wash day. So as I make my way to the front of my hair, I want to make sure I go ahead and part my hair where I want my bang to go. And as you can see, the front of my hair is a little bit looser curls initially, and it looks a little stringy, but don't fret, those curls are going to bounce back. And if your curls don't bounce back, you're either using too much product or too heavy of a product, or it may be a sign that your hair may slightly be damaged. But no worries, there are definitely other hairstyles for people who may be transitioning or have heat damage to their hair. You can definitely try rod sets to achieve a more uniform curl. And if you experience extreme shrinkage, then congratulations, you probably have healthy hair. I love taking my time at the front because that is what the majority people see when they see your hair. So take your time in the bang area and finger coil those curls so they can be popping. Comment below which natural hairstyle you want me to try next, and go ahead and like this video and subscribe. Once you finish the styling process, the next step is to dry your curls, and there's multiple ways for you to do this. You can use a blow dryer with a diffuser attachment, you can use a hooded dryer, or if you don't want to apply any heat or cool air at all, you can air dry your hair. It all depends on your preference. So if you're trying to do your hair quickly and get it done, you want to use like a blow dryer or a hooded dryer. And if you just have time to sit around for your hair to air dry, or if your curls look cute where you would go out like this while your hair is air drying, do you, sis, do you, bro, okay? So if you guys are interested in a full video on how I dry my natural hair, comment down below, hashtag dry me ASAP in the comment section below if you guys are interested in a step-by-step tutorial on how I dry my wash and goes. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoy videos like this, make sure you check out my natural hair tutorials playlist, which is linked in the description box. So thanks for watching.